sing, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today we are doing a review of OnePlus Buds. OnePlus came out with these buds, and in my entire career as a YouTube reviewer, I cannot think of any product that has polarized me so much. I mean, I just cannot recommend this blatantly to everyone, but I cannot even say that this is a bad product. Some of the things about the product feel well thought out, while others feel that they were an afterthought. Like for the design, I just cannot understand a company that gives this much attention to details. To put this pattern here, could not think a silicone tip design would be the way to go for a comfortable fit. And here is the unboxing of OnePlus Buds. The packaging is quintessentially OnePlus, like you have this nice red and white theme going in front of the packaging that mimics OnePlus 3 3T device boxes. Opening up the box, we are greeted with OnePlus Buds secured in their case, and if we dig a little deeper, there's mini Type-C cable for charging them. The case in which OnePlus Buds are enclosed has a very soft matte finish which can easily get dirty if you're not careful with it. Finally, opening the case, we see chunky boy earbuds. That's partly due to the 13.5mm drivers that OnePlus has managed to fit into these buds, and also because there's a big battery enclosed. But I'm not a fan of this design because these hard buds make it uncomfortable to wear them for longer periods of time. The design of OnePlus earbuds is eerily similar to AirPods' first generation design. That means there are no silicone tips, it's hard buds all the way. By the way, we compare the audio quality of these earbuds with AirPod in later part of this video, so stay tuned for that. But I'm really bummed about the design, because the reason you cannot use this product for longer period of time is not the battery life or the sound quality, but its design, which is, I think, one of the worst from OnePlus. Though they have surprisingly given a lot of detail to this design at the back of the earbuds, which is insane. Why would you give attention to detail here but not to the actual product which goes into the ear of your consumer, and that is the reason they cannot use the product for longer periods of time? I just can't understand what OnePlus wanted to do or achieve with this design. Another design choice is having this Type-C port in the bottom. And this is great because you don't have to carry an extra cable to charge these earbuds. What this allows is OnePlus to give fast charging with these earbuds. OnePlus has claimed that for 10 minutes of charge of earbuds, you get 10 hours of playback. Also for the battery life of the buds, OnePlus advertises 7 hours of battery life in the buds for one-time use, and with the case you can get around 30 hours. In my experience, the battery life is somewhere around 6 hours if you use the buds without the case, and with the case you can stretch it up to 24 hours, and that's pretty good. But just as I said in the starting of the video, the design is not so good that you can use the product for longer hours. Now let's talk about the sound quality of OnePlus Buds. I was really surprised with the amount of bass that these buds pack, but I didn't enjoy them very much. But don't take my word for the sound quality of OnePlus earbuds. I have tried to make a contraption to capture the sound quality of OnePlus Buds and compare it with AirPods. What the contraption is basically two identical mics which are recording the sound output of OnePlus Buds and AirPods second generation, for you to see the difference between these two products while playing the same song. If you look closely, OnePlus has higher low bass. That means it's gonna sound bassier, and the vocals are a bit louder than AirPods. But AirPods are very well balanced, and they've got the highs which are very suppressed in OnePlus. This is basically the difference between OnePlus Buds and AirPods second generation. If you are into hip hop, OnePlus Buds are your best bet because the bass is so punchy, you feel it and you feel good while listening to hip hop. While for everything else, AirPods will be a better bet because they've got cleaner highs and they've got the bass, and the mids are also good. So it's a balanced sound signature that you can get from AirPods. Whereas OnePlus are very bass heavy, they've got a very dark signature, and that is what I personally don't like. But I can understand how younger generation or somebody who's really into hip hop can choose OnePlus Buds over AirPods any day. Another thing about sound quality of OnePlus Buds is that they're not using aptX codec, they're using AAC. But I'm happy to report that there's no considerable lag while watching videos or playing games, which is not the case with some products that offer aptX codec. So kudos to OnePlus with that. Talking about the touch controls on OnePlus Buds, well, there is not much to talk about. When you pull the earbud out of your ear, the music stops. When you put back in, the music resumes playback, and you can only double tap to summon Google Assistant or Siri. But this can only be customized while using OnePlus phones. While OnePlus has promised an app that can let users of other mobile phones customize the double tap functionality of earbuds, there's nothing else to talk about here. There are no other controls. There's no single tap or triple tap, which other products in this particular category offer. Hey guys, welcome to the mic quality test of OnePlus Buds. Right now I'm being recorded through iPhone 11 and Moment app. I've chosen OnePlus Buds to act as Bluetooth mics. This should give you a fair idea about the mic quality of OnePlus Buds. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the mic quality. Moving on, another good feature about OnePlus Buds is that they're IPX4 rated. I've thoroughly tested that, and I think you can use them easily for your gym purposes because they are IPX4 rated. They can stand a bit of sweat and cleaning it up after a heavy session. Not only that, the build quality of the case is top notch. I'm confident this pair is going to last you at least 2-3 years if you buy it, or till the time you grow out of hip hop loving phase of your life. And that's it for the review. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about that. In my opinion, OnePlus Buds priced at 4,999 Indian rupees are not worth it, partially because of the uncomfortable design and partially because of the sound signature, which is just too dark or bass heavy. Although if you enjoy bass heavy songs, or if you just want to have max amount of bass in your TWS earbuds, these perfectly fit the bill. What do you guys think about this review? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like and share this video with all your friends. If you want to support the channel, that's it for the review guys. I'm Chirag. I'll see you in my next video.